The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. A hidden power lies dormant inside each and every one of us, a force more magnificent than we often realize. It's time to awaken to this extraordinary gift within you, to understand how it works, and to harness it to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. This isn't about daydreaming or escaping reality, but tapping into an incredible creative energy that shapes the world around us, our experiences, and who we become. It's time to unlock this power and understand the profound impact it can have on your life. Within the depths of your being lies a universe of untapped potential. It's not something you can see or touch, yet its influence is undeniable. This power, this incredible force, is your imagination. It's not merely a playground for daydreams or fantasies, but a dynamic energy that shapes your reality. Every thought you have, every belief you hold, acts as a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Your mind is not a passive observer, but an active creator. It molds and shapes your experiences, your relationships, and ultimately your destiny. The latest discoveries in neuroscience reveal the astonishing power of the mind to transform itself. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, demonstrates that your thoughts are not fleeting whispers, but architects of your neural pathways. With each thought, you're quite literally rewiring your brain, sculpting your own unique perception of reality. Consider the well-documented placebo effect. This phenomenon, where a belief in a treatment leads to actual improvement in a condition, showcases the undeniable link between mind and body. Your beliefs have the power to ignite healing, to spark change, and to unlock possibilities you never thought possible. The way you perceive the world isn't fixed. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving creation of your own making. Your thoughts are not just internal musings. They're energetic vibrations that ripple outward, influencing the very fabric of your existence. What you focus on expands. What you believe becomes your truth. This is the true magic of your imagination. It's not about escaping reality, but about actively participating in its creation. Your thoughts and beliefs are not just abstract concepts. They're the building blocks of your life. By understanding this power, you can begin to consciously shape your reality, one thought at a time. This is not about positive thinking alone. It's about aligning your thoughts with your deepest desires and aspirations. It's about recognizing the immense power you hold within, the ability to create a life that truly reflects your inner being. The journey may not always be easy. Doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs may try to hold you back, but recall that you are not your thoughts. You are the conscious observer behind them. You have the power to choose which thoughts you nurture, which beliefs you empower. With each conscious choice, you step into your true potential. You become the architect of your own reality, the author of your own story. Your imagination is your most powerful tool, a key that unlocks the door to a life of limitless possibilities. So, open your mind to the extraordinary power within you. Accept the understanding that your thoughts are not just fleeting whispers, but creative forces shaping your reality. Let go of the limitations you've placed on yourself and step into the vastness of your own being. Your imagination is calling you to explore, to create, to experience life in its fullest expression. The canvas is yours. The brush is in your hand. What will you create? This extraordinary power of imagination, the force that shapes your reality, is not merely a human attribute. It's a spark of the divine, a direct link to the universal creative energy that flows through all things. Throughout history, spiritual traditions from around the world have recognized this profound connection. They speak of a higher power, a source of all creation, that resides within each of us. This power, this spark of divinity, is expressed through your imagination. Your imagination is not separate from the divine. It is a manifestation of it. It's the channel through which you tap into the infinite wisdom, the boundless love, and the limitless potential that lie at the core of your being. When you create, when you dream, when you envision a better future, you are aligning yourself with this divine energy. You become a co-creator with the universe, actively participating in the unfolding of your own life. The story of Jesus, a figure revered across cultures and religions, can be seen as a powerful metaphor for the potential within each of us. His teachings, his miracles, and his life offer profound insights into the power of the imagination to transform reality. Jesus' miracles, often seen as supernatural events, can be interpreted as symbols of the creative power of the human imagination. When he healed the sick, calmed the storm, or multiplied the loaves and fishes, he was demonstrating the ability to shape reality through belief and intention. His words, "I am the way, the truth, and the life," can be understood as a declaration of the divine potential within each of us. He was not just speaking of himself as an individual, but as a reflection of the universal truth that we are all connected to a higher power, a source of infinite creativity and love. By studying the life of Jesus, we can glean valuable lessons about the power of the imagination to overcome challenges, to heal ourselves and others, and to create a life of abundance and joy. Understanding the power of your imagination is just the beginning. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action, to wield this incredible force to shape your life. There are practical techniques that can help you harness the power of your imagination for personal transformation. One such technique is visualization. By creating vivid mental pictures of your desired outcomes, you're essentially planting seeds in the fertile ground of your mind. These seeds, nurtured by your focused attention and emotions, can sprout into reality. It's not about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts and feelings with your aspirations, thus setting in motion a powerful creative process. Affirmations are another powerful tool. By repeating positive statements about yourself and your goals, you're reinforcing new beliefs and rewiring your neural pathways. Affirmations are not just empty words. They're declarations of your potential, reminders of your inherent worthiness, and catalysts for change. These techniques are not magic spells. They require effort, consistency, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. But with practice, you'll find that they become second nature, a natural extension of your newfound understanding of the power within. Belief is the key that unlocks the door to transformation. It's the fuel that powers your imagination, the catalyst that turns dreams into reality. Without belief, even the most powerful techniques will fall flat. Doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs act as roadblocks on your path to personal growth. They cloud your vision, dim your inner light, and prevent you from accessing your full potential. Belief is not just about positive thinking. It's about cultivating a deep trust in yourself, in your abilities, and in the infinite possibilities that lie before you. It's about recognizing that you are worthy of your dreams, that you have the power to create the life you desire. Challenge those limiting beliefs that whisper in your ear, telling you that you're not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy enough. Replace them with empowering beliefs that affirm your strength, your resilience, and your infinite potential. The path to harnessing the power of your imagination isn't always smooth. Challenges will arise, doubts may creep in, and negative thoughts may cloud your vision. But these obstacles are not roadblocks. They're stepping stones on your journey. Fear, self-doubt, and negativity are like shadows that try to obscure your inner light. But recall that shadows cannot exist without light. Acknowledge these challenges without judgment. Observe them with curiosity and compassion, understanding that they are simply part of the human experience. Then, choose to focus on the light within you. Choose to feed your mind with positive affirmations, with empowering beliefs, and with unwavering faith in your own abilities. When fear whispers in your ear, replace it with courage. When self-doubt tries to hold you back, counter it with self-love and self-acceptance. And when negativity threatens to overwhelm you, turn your attention to gratitude, to joy, and to the infinite possibilities that await you. The power to overcome these obstacles lies within you. You have the strength, the resilience, and the wisdom to navigate any challenge that comes your way. Keep in mind that the most magnificent creations often emerge from the darkest depths. History is filled with examples of individuals who harness the power of their imagination to overcome adversity and achieve greatness. Helen Keller, deaf and blind from a young age, used her imagination to create a rich inner world and became a renowned author and activist. The Wright brothers, with their unwavering belief in the possibility of flight, defied skeptics and invented the airplane, forever changing the world. These individuals, and countless others, demonstrate the extraordinary power of the human imagination to transcend limitations and create new realities. As you set out to explore the vast landscape of your imagination, recall that this is not a destination, but a lifelong adventure. It's a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering hidden depths within yourself and unlocking your true potential. There will be moments of triumph, moments of doubt, and moments of profound insight. Be patient with yourself as you navigate this uncharted territory. Your imagination, like any muscle, needs time and practice to strengthen. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Persistence is key. Nurture your imagination like a tender seedling, watering it with positive affirmations, feeding it with inspiring ideas, and protecting it from the harsh winds of negativity. With consistent care and attention, it will blossom into a powerful force that can transform your life. This journey is not just about achieving external goals. It's about evolving into the best version of yourself. It's about discovering your passions, your purpose, and your unique gifts to the world. As you tap into the power of your imagination, you'll find that you're not just creating a better life for yourself, but also contributing to the betterment of the world around you. The power to shape your reality, to manifest your dreams, lies within you. It resides in the boundless realm of your imagination. As you continue to explore this power, remind yourself that you are capable of extraordinary things. Your potential is limitless, your creativity is infinite, and your ability to shape your life is unparalleled. Like this video if it resonated with you, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content to unlock your full potential.